Guys, interior designers gonna love this. So how can we achieve an interior elevation, CAD elevation, from a 3D rendering image? So pretty simple, pretty straightforward. This one is tricky a little, so we need to focus and follow along. Great. So I'll open a new conversation with ChatGPT. I'll upload this one, and I will do convert the interior perspective view into 2D CAD elevation without any perspective lines, using clean black outlines. Keep all design details without any changes. Let's go. Let's see what we can get. So I hope that it changes the result or it reads the result well. But the first result that I got from ChatGPT was this one. Even if you get this one, don't give up on this, guys, because you can even, prompt different to get this result. And I will show you what you need to tell ChatGPT. But the thing is that, you got to take it step by step. So as I told you guys, it has gave us the exact image that we are not looking for. So what I've done is that, I've talked to ChatGPT even more, and this is what I told it. I can easily give you the prompt from the beginning, but I want you guys to understand that this is not perfect. You need to find your way around to be able to really make it understand what it needs. So I told it, no, this is very bad. I need a much higher quality one. Besides, this is a 3D trace. I want it to be a 2D and no need to draw the tiling. Just type in tiles and add dimensions. Let's go. Let's see what it will come up with. So now it's gonna analyze it even more, and see what it will give us. So this is what we got now. It's a much cleaner and higher resolution, and it talks more logic than the one that we had earlier. And of course, we can submit this as a CAD, but we can't submit the previous result as a CAD. I can't go to a client and be like, there you go, that's a CAD that you're looking for. No, this is not. And, this is, as I mentioned, it's called a 3D trace. What we need is a 2D CAD. Okay, great. So we've got this, and I'm gonna download it. So now we're gonna jump into the point where how can we convert this to an actual CAD? So I will go into a new tab and ask for Convertio image to CAD AI. So there is a website, free website, that can convert our JPGs to CAD. So JPG to, I'll pick from here CAD, and I can do DXF, and I'll choose file. I'll go to the downloads, and I'll make these bigger. I'll take this one, and I'll do convert. And let's see Convertio result. So it's converting, and it's going to take a little while for it to convert. Not so long, again, depending on the internet speed and depending on the complexity of our drawing. Now I can download this file, and we've got our downloads here, and we can double click on this one and open it with AutoCAD just once and see AutoCAD will read from this converted file. Okay, Z all. So this is it. So I pressed Z, then A. Z for zoom, and then A for all. When you click zoom, it's going to ask you all center dynamic extents previous scale, etc. So I'll do A, and then I've got our drawing, and it is CAD. So this can help us a lot even when we're doing 3D modeling, is that I'm generating a CAD or the base CAD from the image rather than, drawing on top of it from CAD and then taking it to, for example, 3ds Max and extruding it. Usually I can also generate details from this process. So this process saves us a lot of time, guys. I'm going to call this course the time saver in AI. I hope you guys benefit from this one. See you guys in the next ones.